Hello.
Yeah, hello. Hi, Goldie. How are you?
Good, thank you. Yourself?
Yeah, pretty good.
Nice, nice. It's a
So,
bit early, but I'm
yeah,
sure.
it's 1 1 9 p.m.
Oh, okay. So it's like midday for you.
Yeah, midday.
Okay,
Yeah,
fair enough.
yeah,
Yeah, I just woke up.
yeah. So, let me your please tell me your concern about the website and then each and everything.
Um, so there's not much of a concern. It's more so recently we just begun the Google Ads.
Yeah.
And we've never done it before in the past. We usually use Facebook ads.
Okay.
Um, and we realized that realistically, because we want to look a bit more into the private events segment of our business.
Okay.
Facebook ads it wouldn't work properly comparatively to Google ads.
Okay.
So yeah, we just recently started it, I think literally last week, and in the last week we've only had one lead. So I just wanted to act quickly and just look into getting an expert on board so they can actually make sure the funnels are working properly.
Oh,
Um,
okay.
so yeah, that's why I went ahead and I got you guys. But
Okay.
generally,
So, okay. Tell me.
yeah, generally in my mind, I was the one that created the Google ads that are currently there.
Okay.
Um, and I done it on the basis of ChatGPT. Um,
Hmm.
just literally asking ChatGPT, what should I do? X, Y, Z. And effectively, that's how I created it. And I also asked ChatGPT, how much leads can I expect generally
Hmm.
on a certain budget. And that budget I think was 1.6K or 1.5K British pounds in a month. And the feedback I got from ChatGPT was about 70 to 80 leads. Now I just want to know how accurate that is from your side. Because obviously you guys do this, and yes, ChatGPT is AI, but at the same time, I want to know from the actual people that do it, like your estimations.
Yeah. So first of all these you need just first of all you need to create a website for that for a Google Ads running. So after that we'll discuss about the my man Alamin. Can you hear me? Hello.
Are you talking to me?
Okay. So okay, forgot it. So now I understand. So you need a Google Ads for your the business. Could you tell me what type of business that you service for now?
What type of service?
Yeah. So your business purpose. What is your business purpose? I will tell you each and everything. What's the cost and what's the lead. You can go for the Google Ads, each and everything, and business sources. So there is no need to about worry. I'm just ensuring your business purpose so that I can tell you each and everything.
Okay, sure. So what we do is we specialize in team building workshops. So that's specifically targeting businesses that have large teams or teams of up to like 15 to 20 people.
Okay.
And with that being said, it's a case in which um, within these team building exercises, um, yeah, they're just generally fun.
Oh.
So
Oh,
from
great.
yeah, so it's from sculpting to painting, and on the side of that, we also organize corporate dinners. So so yeah, that's the main business. Creating private events for businesses as well as some public ones.
Oh,
Um,
okay.
but the public ones are handled by Facebook ads. We just specifically want the private ones to be handled by Google. Sorry, Google Ads, I should say.
Yeah. Okay. So. Okay, we'll do that, no problem at all. Then all this part, you will need a landing page or service page. So if you have your own business domain and hosting, and then your service, and then we first of all we need to create a service page or landing page. Then after that we'll
Sorry,
go for.
sorry, Rakib. I had an in-depth conversation with Al Islam already.
Yeah.
About the business. I already gave him my landing page, um, or pages, I should say. So th
Okay.
this has already been discussed with is his name Mohammed? Is that his name?
Yeah, yeah, it's my name. Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, I already discussed it with Mohammed. So yeah, it was just going over the same information again.
Oh, Alamin, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
So he told about the Google Ads in details with me. So first of all, you would tell me about the Google Ads. He know that about the lead from and what's the budget, each and everything. Please explain the Scrollbly if you don't explain it yet.
Sorry, to him or to you?
Yeah, it's to him.
I mean, I'm just to caveat, I'm all good in terms of the understanding part. It's more so I just want to know an estimation of the potential amount of leads that we could get in a month with a certain budget. And I just want to know how accurate whether Google estimations are or ChatGPT's estimations are, if that makes sense. Because I asked both, or with Google Ads, anyways, I went through the process of creating my campaign, and they said, look, with this campaign you can get X amount of leads. And I've done the same with ChatGPT when I was creating the lead, and they said I can get X amount of leads. So I just want to know from
Yeah, yeah.
you guys' perception perspective, sorry. Um,
No, no, it's fine.
okay.
Now, regarding the leads, or like no one can guarantee you, like, yeah, there is an estimated amount that anyone can tell you. Like, if, for example, if you run the search ad campaign, you might get 10 lead per day or per month. Now, there isn't any estimated lead or guarantee that we can give you that if you run this campaign with this amount of budget, but that we're gonna get exponential amounts of lead. But since, when we were having the conversation, you told me that your daily budget was going to be £52, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so £52. So since it's a very high budget for running a campaign, obviously you're gonna get a significant amount of leads. An estimated amount is hard to give, but you're gonna get a very good amount. I'm not gonna lie. With proper expertise, management, and optimization, which I'm doing constantly, you're gonna get it. Okay, so you have to be patient. Like sometimes, someday you might, even if you run more than let's say £60 ad for a campaign each day, you might see that you only get one campaign, or you might sorry for one lead or sales, for example. But with proper management, with proper optimization, with proper care, we can definitely see and we can see a growth that we are getting lots of leads, a conversion, and obviously, the amount of leads, or conversion that I see, I'm gonna send to an update. Look, this is a better than what we did the last week. So I think it would be better if we just continue with this budget point so that we can see an increasement. Or if I think that this budget is currently not doing any well, then I'm going to tell you that I think it would be better for you if you just increase the budget a little bit or just decrease the budget a little bit so that we can grab those quality full leads or sales. Okay.
Okay. No, that makes total sense, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
In terms of my current ads as they are, do you recommend that I pause them so you can do your thing, or what? Because I don't want to. And the reason why I wanted you to do it in 3 days as opposed to I think it was 5 days, is because I just don't want to waste money. You know,
No, no, I get it.
I'm not an expert in this. I literally made these on the back of ChatGPT. So
Ah, okay.
so is it a case in which I should be pausing them and then let you do your thing in the next 3 days, or
You mean the creation of the landing page first, then we continue running the ads, right?
so in terms of the landing page, as I
Yeah.
said to Rakib and yourself earlier, I've created them already. I've created the landing page. Are you saying that the current landing page isn't up to scratch? Because I'm happy to discuss that and go from there.
Well, when I and Rakib, my developer, was reviewing the website, we've seen that there were 11 sections in this website. And the other part of reviewing the website, we've seen that the gaps between the spaces are too long. If you have seen it, like if you go to your website, for example, let me just 1 minute.
Right. Sure. Are you going to be creating some kind of document that I can go through to amend, or will you be amending it?
If you want, I can create a document for you, then I'm gonna send it to you, then you can review it, and then you can tell me what you think of it. Or if you
Sure.
want, my developer will gonna explain everything to you. If I just send the website to him, he's gonna take like a few minutes for him to review it, and then he's gonna tell you what are the main issues, because he's an expert when it comes to building website on Squarespace. Okay?
Okay. Would he be doing the amendments, or?
Yeah, he's gonna do the amending because he's an
Okay.
expert and he knows his work, so he's gonna do it.
In that case, that's totally fine. I'm happy for them to do that, as long as he just copies the pages as opposed to rewriting them, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So you
Yeah,
wanna know?
Alamin. Yeah,
Yeah,
Alamin, please send the website URL. Let me show you the first.
yeah, yeah. Just give me 1 minute, okay?
Okay, okay.
Rakib, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I've sent you the website link in our Zoom chat box. Can you just grab it from there?
Yeah,
Yeah,
please give me some time and I'll check it.
okay. And Colby, do you want to know anything more regarding the Google Ads while Rakib just reviews the website?
Sorry, come again?
Do you want to know anything more about Google Ads or other services while Rakib like reviews the website?
Um, in terms of Google Ads, so the thing is, what I kind of want to extrapolate from all of this is just being able to replicate the process as opposed to just it being just one campaign.
Hmm.
Um, so would that be possible after like I said, I had we operate over multiple cities and
Hmm.
internationally. So if you make this campaign specifically for London, sorry, would it be a case in which I can just copy and paste it and just change the location, or will it need some more
No, no, no,
in
no.
depth?
When it comes to nah, that is possible, but that will not gonna perform well. Like since you want to, let's say for example, you want to target the London, just specifically London. So in that case, what we're gonna do that we're gonna create a new campaign from the scratch so that the campaign does not have any issues. The existing campaign is happening because sometimes when the campaign is running and if you just copy paste everything to a new campaign, the issues that are already existing on that campaign will gonna get transferred to the new campaign, which we don't want. Okay, that's why I don't want to take any kind of risk. That's why when you want to run a new ad, it doesn't matter even if you want to run a similar ad like search ad campaign for the new campaign as well. We're going to create the campaign from the stars from the scratch, and then we're going to provide it to you. Like I've created the campaign, you can review the campaign now. And then when I'm launched the campaign, I launched the campaign. Google will gonna take more than like 3 to 5 days to review the campaign, and then the campaign will gonna get live. Okay.
Okay, I understand that. That being said, then, in terms of the scope of this specific campaign, then, in terms of location, is it
Hmm.
possible to expand it from London to those other cities I've mentioned within the United Kingdom?
Yeah,
Um,
you can expand it if you want. All we have to do is just go to the location, and then we can like increase the range of our area, or if you want, we can run specific ads for specific regions as well. It's up to you.
oh, as in with the ad groups and whatnot, right?
Yeah, something like that, or we can create a new campaign from the scratch and then target the specific locations.
Okay, I think that's the kind of route that I would like to take then. So one campaign and let's say like six or five ad groups, and within those ad groups are there certain or specific cities? Um, what else do I want in this respect? That being said, then, would you say that I'd probably need to increase the budget if I'm covering like 5 cities?
Yeah, then if you're covering more than one city, then obviously the budget needs to be increased a lot. Because you know what the budget that you've like selected to run the campaign, it's to run the ads is for one location only. But if you want to target multiple locations, let's say London, Southampton, or Newcastle, then obviously the budget needs to be increased a little bit. Or all we can do is we before we just increase the budget for those specific areas, we before we run any campaign as well, I'm gonna review the everything in those areas. Then we're gonna find out which campaign I think will gonna work best for you, and then I'm gonna send you an overview sheet of it. Like, look, I think this campaign will gonna run better in this specific area, and then when you give me the confirmation, the campaign, and then I'm gonna just launch the campaign or just live the campaign. Okay.
Okay. All right. Fair enough. That being said, then, if anything, I don't want to personally go past the £60 a day. Um,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I get
budget,
it.
as you said
Yeah.
already, it's still quite a high one. So,
Yeah.
um, how much cities do you reckon I can encompass within this?
Well, before I give you my final answer, I think it would be better if I just review everything from the campaign that is running, and then I give you my answer. Because if I just give you my answer right now, and after review the campaign, and then I see that the answer that I gave you is wrong, then obviously you're gonna get disheartened by it. That's why I don't wanna like make you disheartened. I'm gonna review everything, and then I'm gonna tell you I think this will be better, and this much budget will be just okay if you're just running the campaign for now.
Okay, sure, sure. Thank you very much.
Okay, sorry for interrupt. So I reviewed your website. So this is the for a landing page.
This
I
isn't the
show.
landing page. No, this
Y-
is just my the home page. The landing
Yeah,
pages are specific, so I can just send that to you. Just give me 1 second.
yeah. Okay,
So the URL for that I think is team building sculpting, but let me just double check. Sorry.
okay.
So I'll just add it into the chat. So that's one landing page, and this is another one that we have. Yeah, I've just sent two of our landing pages. No, you have to. That's just type in
This
meetthesocial.co.uk
is
and then
this is the preview domain that you sent.
you just change put a backslash and then so no meetthesocial.co.uk and then add that. Get me a minute, sorry. There you go.
In this landing page, the most part are same. So I need to clear one thing. So this is the domain. So
Yeah.
do you want to add on this domain?
What do you mean, sorry?
Yeah. So Do you run the Google Ads on this domain?
No, no. Well, I run it on the domain, but the specific URL that I run it on would be those landing pages that I just sent you. So the first one, which is the sculpting, yep, that one.
Okay.
That's one of the that's the one that it will be run on specifically. And then there's another one that I want to run it on thereafter that might be a bit more beneficial for this quarter. Oh, sorry, I just sent you the wrong one again.
So this is yeah, you shared the URL. This is the Squarespace subdomain, the preview domain, you know,
Sorry?
on this. This is the Squarespace preview domain. So
Oh,
I hope you create a website on the preview domain on your Squarespace account.
yeah.
So you need to purchase a domain. After that, you need to purchase a business plan on that domain, which you integrate on the Google Ads.
So I'm a bit confused because this is just it's just a page I created on Squarespace. I don't
Yeah,
think this is a landing page.
so if you want to run a Google Ads on the separate landing page, so you want a business domain. You need a business domain for that landing page, because this is the this domain provided by Squarespace. So if this domain you will purchase on the Squarespace, but when you create a separate website by default, then they will provide you a preview domain. You know, do you understand?
No, not really, because isn't so are you saying that Google Ads would want me to specifically create a a new website? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah,
Why?
yeah. So what can I say? Because if you okay, so first of all, I need to check the account, check the account, and then what they have on this access, and what they have on the account, on the domain, and then hosting plan, business plan. I need to see the each and everything. I need to check first of all. Then I will tell you you can add the run on this domain or not.
When you say add this domain, what do you mean? Because from my understanding, you're the developer that's going to just be amending the landing page, right? That can be
Yeah.
put onto Google Ads or pointed to Google Ads. I don't really understand why this URL or page needs to be a standalone website,
You can also run the Google Ads on this domain. You see, it's on
right?
this domain, but I need to check first of all. So if you able to ads on this domain or not, I need to check first of all. So Squarespace have some limitation to add the preview domain to they give a permission or not. So I need to check first of all.
Yeah, I'm a bit confused to be honest with you. I guess do the checks that you need to do, and then you can come back and just give me like an overview of what you're thinking because like I said, from my perspective, I've been running the Google Ads for about 2 weeks now, or a week or in a bit, and I just use this landing page. As in this the page you're on currently, I use it as the landing page for to be pointed at from Google Ads perspective. So I'm not sure why this needs to be a standalone website.
Oh, got it. I got it, your point. So Alamin, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So actually, আসলে ওর sorry, I talk about the internal. Please stay with us.
Mhm.
Alamin,
হ্যাঁ
এটার উনি বলতেছে যে এটা হলো ওর স্কোয়ার স্পেসের মানে বাই ডিফল্ট প্রিভিউ ডোমেন, ঠিক
হুম
আছে?
হুম
ও এই পুরাটার এই পুরাটাই মানে এটা হলো এটাতে করতে চাইতেছে। মানে গুগল অ্যাডস রান করতে চাইতেছে।
হুম
তো এটাতে যদি গুগল অ্যাডস রান করে তাহলে ওর যে এই ডোমেনটা আছে, এই ডোমেনটা, ঠিক আছে,
হুম হুম
এখন এই ডোমেনের ভিতরে এই ডোমেনটা জাস্ট লিঙ্ক আপ করাই দিতে পারবো। এই ডোমেনটা ই করে কাজ করে, এটার যদি অ্যাক্সেস থাকে, এখন এইভাবে কখনো স্কোয়ার স্পেসে অ্যাক্সেস থাকে না, ঠিক আছে, আমি যতদূর জানি এইভাবে স্কোয়ার স্পেসে এটা থাকে না, কিন্তু প্রিভিউ ডোমেন থাকে, প্রিভিউ ডোমেনের উপরে ডোমেন নতুন করে আর একটা কিনতে হয়, ঠিক আছে। স্কোয়ার স্পেসে অনেক লিমিটেশন থাকে যেটা আসলে ক্লায়েন্ট বুঝতেছে না, ওরে একটু ভালো করে বুঝাই
তাহলে
বলেন তো।
তাহলে তাহলে আপনি একটা কাজ করতে পারেন না, আপনি ওরে মানে অ্যাকচুয়ালি দেখাই দিতে পারেন না, আপনার দেখা দিলে ওরে বেটার হয় না, যে কেন আমি যেটা বলতেছি এটা রাইট হবে, মুখে না বলে বারবার।
আচ্ছা, ওকে ওকে।
Hey Colby, can you hear me?
Yeah, okay.
I think my developer is having some problem to make you understand what he's saying, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so will it be okay for you if you just tell me what he really wants to tell you and I just translate it for you so that you can understand?
From my perspective, is that
Yeah.
okay? So from my perspective, what
Hmm.
he's just told me
Hmm.
is that I need a standalone website or
Hmm.
a domain to
Hmm.
point to the Google ads.
Hmm.
So for example, he put up meetthesocial.co.uk and
Hmm.
said this is the one that I should be using.
Hmm.
But from my perspective, like I said, I've been using this
Hmm.
specific landing page of sculpting,
Hmm.
team building, pottery,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
that's it. That's just that's a page that's pointed to the Google that Google Ads point to, right?
Yeah, so it's
Um,
like you're just, running the ads for this specific one so that people just sign up to your website. Am I right?
exactly that.
Yeah. Yeah.
And they fill out the form, and then I get the lead. That's that.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah.
from my perspective, what he's just told me is
Hmm.
that I need a standalone website that's
Hmm.
one landing page within itself, as
Hmm.
opposed to my website and a page within it. Do you know what I mean? I'm not sure
Yeah.
why.
Yeah.
I'm not sure why I need that.
Okay. So just give me 1 minute so that I
Yeah,
can
sure. You
just
guys
talk
do
to
your
him
thing. Do your
one-on-one.
thing.
Like,
No problem.
just give me 1 minute. We'll just talk at one-on-ones and then we can continue the meeting. Okay, just give me 1 minute, okay?
Okay, no worries.
Rakib, can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, yeah, I
Yeah,
can
yeah.
hear you.
So I think it would be better if you just, share your screen so that Colby can see it with his own eyes, and then it would be better so that he'll understand it, okay?
Okay, okay, got it.
Just share your screen. And Colby, you with us?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Yeah. So you share me the, like, suppose this is the another my another client which I built in Squarespace. So I just suppose a reference, like this is your main domain,
Mm-hmm.
and then this is the preview domain which you create. Like this is the preview domain which I by default on the Squarespace. You got it? You just copy that and just copy that. Let me. If I like suppose This is the same thing. You see, when I click, it will show they couldn't find that page because of. Let me show. This is the preview domain when I already create on this page, but this page will not be published when until now you published a site or create a update to business plan. You see,
Right. So
so
are you,
they don't agree to the this preview domain on the on this Squarespace account. Hope this reference makes sense. So like I understand, you have a domain on the preview domain and on the main domain, the link up. But when I make a landing page on this, it will require to update the plan.
sorry, I'm
Do
finding
you
it hard
understand?
to.
Kobe,
No,
give me one. Kobe, just give me 1 minute, okay? রাকিব ভাই, আপনি আমারে বলে দেন, আমি ওরে বলে দিতেছি।
আচ্ছা, ও এটা কেমনে
এটা
বুঝাইমু
প্রিভিউ
তো?
ডোমেইন, এটা প্রিভিউ ডোমেইন। এখন ও
হ্যাঁ,
যদি নিজের মেইন ডোমেইন যেটা ওটার ইউজ করতে চায়, তাহলে ওর সাইটকে আপগ্রেড করতে হইব, যাতে ও মেইনটা ওটা ইউজ করতে পারে, পরে আমরা ওটার মাধ্যমে যাতে অ্যাডস গুলো কানেক্ট করে একদম রান করতে
হ্যাঁ,
পারি, রাইট?
হ্যাঁ, 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 হ্যাঁ।
আচ্ছা, Kobe, can you hear me?
yeah.
Okay, so what he's saying is that the domain that you sent it to me, the meetthesocial.co.uk, sculpting, team building, pottery.
Got
So
you.
this is, yeah, this is a preview domain. So when you build a new website on Squarespace, they give you a preview domain like this one. So if you just continue using this domain, you can't do anything further because Squarespace has multiple limitations regarding running the ads or doing anything. So if you want to like public like fully just use the main domain like the meets the social.co.uk, this one, then it would be better if you just upgrade the domain that you have, so that this sculpting, team building, pottery domain will gonna get interlinked together with the meet the social main domain, and then we can do everything simultaneously, and that will not gonna cause any issue. You understood me?
So it's not connected at the moment.
Yeah, it's a preview domain that it doesn't matter. And when you like create any website on Squarespace, they give you a preview domain so that you can see how the website looks, and the domain is not fully active. So if you want to like fully active the domain, then we have to like upgrade the plan, and then we can integrate this link, the sculpting, team building, pottery together so that the domain is fully published. Okay?
Are you saying this domain isn't published yet? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, it's not fully published. It's the preview domain that you sent me.
But it's the case in which my customers still go on it and have still filled out the form. So what's the difference between what you're saying, it not being
Hmm.
properly published, and how it currently is? Do you get what I mean? It's currently working from the standpoint of it's on Google Ads. People have submitted forms, i.e., I've gotten leads from it.
Hmm.
So
Oh, got it. Laprobi. I'm
yeah,
sorry for that. Don't understand. So, I told you this is the domain. The domain already live. I thought I create a new landing page like this. Sorry for misunderstood.
right.
So
No worries. I thought there was a miscommunication there. I was like, why would I need to do
yeah,
that?
sorry.
Yeah. Oh,
Sorry.
sorry, man. Sorry, Kobe. Sorry for that.
No problem. Yeah, so both of
No,
Yeah.
I
those,
thought.
Yeah.
So if you want to run on this domain, then no problem at all. I will make it. I will make it a website on this domain. No problem at all, and make a more premium and more attractive layout with this domain.
right. Okay, got it. So yeah, from my perspective, it was a case in which I'll give you these two landing pages and
Okay.
you'll basically assess them to see if they're up to scratch for
Okay.
the process, not we're
Okay.
going to create a new one. But yeah, that's definitely it. We just want to go ahead and make sure those two landing pages are up to scratch.
Okay. three landing pages. So I need the three subdomain like this. Do you have?
It's only two. So this one that you're currently on, as well as
Okay.
the sculpting one.
Okay. So
Oh
this
yeah,
one
so we've
or
got two subdomains like this one, Curtis sculpting team building pottery, and the another one is candle lit corporate dinner, right?
Exactly that, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
okay. So and then the third one.
There's only two. There's only two, sorry.
Okay. So this two landing page I will make from the scratch, right?
Well, I'm not asking you to make it from scratch. It's more so like what's wrong with it that needs to be amended. Do you know what I
Okay.
mean?
Okay, no problem. So, if you have any reference, so you want to like them, you want to like reference, you want to create a something like new. If you have any reference, then give it to me. I will make it accordingly. Also,
Okay,
I will.
so just I think there's been miscommunication again. So I don't
No,
these
no,
landing
Rakib,
pages.
Rakib. Let me clarify it to Rakib. Okay, Colby?
Okay.
Okay.
মেইনলি ও চাইতেছে কি ও কিছু মাইনর ইস্যু গুলা ফিক্স করতে অ্যামেন্স করতে চাইতেছে অর্থাৎ মাইনর ইস্যু গুলা ফিক্স করতে চাইতেছে
Oh, আচ্ছা.
you just want to fix the minor issues of your website, right, Colby?
I don't know what's wrong with the website.
No. It's like it's no. You want to amend the current one, right? Yeah. So he was having some problem understanding the word amend. I just cleared it up for you, for him. Okay.
Okay, so I
Yeah.
personally I don't like I'm doing it based on your estimations, this process. So I don't know if my websites or the landing pages are up to scratch, as in like are good enough for the Google Ads process that you want to put forward. So it's for you guys to tell me what needs to change on the website landing pages and then
Oh,
amend them. Personally, like I said, I've gotten leads from these two pages already, so I'm not sure what needs to be amended. But I'm always happy and flexible, for things to change, So just let me know what needs to be amended, and you can process that too. Um, I just need to have an understanding. Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah, I understood it. And just let me clarify it to Rakib, okay?
uh,
So yeah,
okay.
ও মেইনলি চাইতেছে কি যে ওর যে মেইন যে ইটা আছে ওয়েবসাইটটা আছে না, সো ও
হ্যাঁ.
বর্তমানে এমনিও অ্যাডস রান করতেছে, এটার মাধ্যমে ভালো পরিমাণে লিডস পাইতেছে, ঠিক আছে?
হুম.
সো এটাও ডিপেন্ড করে যে একটা ওয়েবসাইটের যদি ল্যান্ডিং পেজটা যদি সুন্দর থাকে, অলরেডি কোয়ালিফাইড লিডস আরো বেশি পাওয়া যায়, রাইট? সো এটা
হুম.
বলতে চাইতেছে যে মেইন আমি এমন না যে নতুন একটা ওয়েবসাইট করতে যেতেছি, আমি যেতেছি আমার যে এক্সিস্টিং গুলো আছে এটার মধ্যে মানে আর কি কি ফিক্স করতে পারে যাতে আমি লিডস গুলো আর একটু কোয়ালিটিফুল পাই, ঠিক আছে? আমরা নতুন একটা ওয়েবসাইট ক্রিয়েট
মেইন
করব।
ওয়েবসাইট সহ মেইন ওয়েবসাইট
Main,
সহ
yeah. Kobe, do you want to target the main one or the social the candlelit corporate dinner one?
Sorry.
Do you want to target only the sculpting team building pottery one for this one
Um,
to amend the changes?
the change is just for the sculpting one, to be honest with you, and then
Uh,
I can go from there personally. I just need to have a
uh,
reference, as to what is right and what's wrong, because,
mm,
like I said, this is the first time that we're using Google Ads proper. So I
uh,
need to understand, like, from the funnel point of view, um, every every like make sure every section is perfect, you know, including the
yeah.
landing page. So if you
Yeah.
guys tell me the landing page needs to be amended to XYZ, I'll go ahead
Mm,
and amend the others that I've created. So for example, this one. If you guys amend sculpting, I'll go ahead and do the
mm.
same to this one personally. Um and just make sure every funnel that I have is good, as opposed to ones I've looked through ChatGPT for, you know.
Hey, don't just rely on ChatGPT all the time. We are always available for you. So if you have any concern or just any question, just knock me up on the Fiverr chat box and I'll gonna answer it for you. And then if you want to also have a meeting, just let me know. We'll just chat for a while, just have a great day and then just talk about the project, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So and regarding the changes, do you want us to do it or do you want to do it from yourself?
For the sculpting one,
Hmm.
so that's what I want to run the Google Ads campaign for, right? The
Okay,
sculpting
so
team building pottery.
just 1 minute, Wikelby. So you want to mainly focus on the sculpting team building pottery one, right?
Yeah, just
Not
I'm gonna create
not
a
Zigan.
campaign based
Ah,
on that.
okay, okay, okay. So we're gonna just focus on this one. Okay, now continue.
So yeah. Sorry, what was the question? I lost it. Uh,
And like, do you want the changes that you want to amend? Do you want us to do it, or do you want to do it from yourself?
I'm happy for you guys to do it. It seems that you got a team on there, so that's much better than
Yeah.
I am. So yeah, if you could make those changes on the sculpting team building pottery
Mm,
page,
mm.
I'm happy for you to do it. As long as you make a copy of it before you amend it.
Ah, okay. So just to make sure that if anything goes wrong, we can just use the main one. Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sure. I can definitely help you for that. And my Rakib developer, who's an expert in this when it comes to building Squarespace website, he can definitely help you with that as well.
Okay.
So just let me recap everything. You just want to the focus on the sculpting team building pottery one, and the other one you don't want to focus on it, and you just want to like amend the changes which will be necessary when we're running the ads, so that the visualize of your website is also good, and we can also get quality leads, right?
Exactly that. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So Rakib, do you want to communicate further regarding the website so that you understand everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I totally understand now. So here is some changes on the website. Let me show you one by one. I will mark it.
It wouldn't be this
Uh,
page. It will be the other page. Yeah. This page.
this is the sculpting.
Yeah.
So this is the sculpting. So the layout you need to change, like the text and then heading and then description, and then they need to more visually. You see, you see the text when someone visit the website, it will not eye-catching. It
Okay.
will not eye-catching for the visually understand.
All right.
And then the in the video, the form should be short and the wide more on this part. So like this one and this, so more visually, and then video should be in the second background. The video for now is short, so this video is play with the background automatically. When someone visit the website, it will show the video automatically play. This part will be more attractive and more premium features on this website,
Are you
like
saying it should have a background? It should be on the
yeah,
background. Okay.
yeah. So
So on my
uh,
main page, on the main domain, that's how I set it up. Um,
on your main, okay, let me show the main
Yeah,
page.
on the main domain, the video is already like set up in the background. Yeah, so if you just, like implement this one in the main one, the sculpting sim building pottery one, it will gonna be even more aesthetically pleasing for the
Oh,
people.
okay, I don't see the main the video. Okay,
Yeah, it's
let
the
me,
same video,
okay,
it's
no
the
prob
same video.
okay, no problem. We will go for the next layout. I have a lot of available layout, no problem at all. Then this part should be what can I say? This part should be like I show you the reference, like wait a minute. Great layout I am showing you. And then if I could that layout, and here will be show the video, like this is the not understanding what they can send, and then
mhm,
the home page, and home page will be more the hero section, the too long, you see,
mhm.
too long, and then that
Should
hero
be,
section
yeah.
more clear, you see,
Yeah.
more clear and more like tell me one thing, like I am visiting your website, so I need to scroll to see the whole hero section, but they need to don't scroll. They will when click on the website, they will see the each and everything on the one section. They don't need to scrolling, about this. Got it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I
So,
got it.
so that need to be changed.
And this is
Then,
something that you do.
Eh,
Sorry to jump in. Is this something that you do for all the Google ads that you create?
No, no, it's not for something that we do is like specifically for like Google Ads. No, it's like for aesthetically like making a website, making the landing page more aesthetically pleasing so that they, let's say when we're running the ads and the leads that are coming from the ads, when they see the website and when they're pleased by how the website looks, obviously you're gonna get like some a little bit more qualified links because you know a good landing page also creates like generates like a grid like you know like qualityful leads. Sorry
Right.
if I'm stuttering a lot.
No, no, no. It's fine. I'm just saying. I kind of like what I want to get to is that is it definitely a case in which these need to be implemented, or are these implemented more often than not in the websites that you worked with, Mohammed?
No, it's not like we implemented lots of things like this one because you know sometimes people's website are like they're from start are very beautiful. So we don't need to make like changes at all. We just focus on the one that they want. If they want leads, we'll just gonna focus on the leads section of their website and then we're gonna continue to it. But you know, since you know I have reviewed the website myself and my developer also like reviewed the website and also you also told me like that I think it would be better. So yeah, so he's an expert. He told you that it would be better if you just, you know, without like section wise everything, if you just merge everything together and like place everything without that much spacing, the landing page will be more far more aesthetically pleasing. So that, you know, when people come, sometimes they don't just directly go to and just fill sign up everything. Just sometimes, you know, scroll a bit to see how the website looks. And when they're pleased, they just sometimes, you know, like then places the sign up then you know like fill up the sign up form. So yeah, so you can see that if you when Rakib is also scrolling you can see that there are lots of gaps. So these are unnecessary gaps, you know, like we don't need this much gaps. We're gonna just, you know, reduce these gaps so that the website is more eye catchy and it's more like in front of the eyes without I don't need to move my eyes a lot to see where each section are. Okay, so we need to just, you know, like structure type everything, lose those extra spaces which are not necessary, and then we're gonna continue.
Okay, got you.
Okay, Rakib, continue.
okay, so this part is good. There is no need to change anything. Just change the Italian if you
It's
want
like
that
the fonts one. You just
the
want it would
fronts
be better if you just focus change the
uh,
fonts one. Okay.
fronts one, and then the gate a event code. The code is quite in the underneath. So the code is get me a event code. It should be here, and then more visually eye catching for that.
So bigger.
Then okay,
Okay.
then the gallery. So gallery should be more attractive. So here's the gallery too short. So like in this gallery, like 4 by 4, 4 by 4, or 4 by 5, 4 by 5. If I put the image should be more up, and then visually more too big, like middle.
So okay, so it's more like what will let me explain to you. It's more like without, you know, placing these photos like horizontally, it would be better if you just place the photos vertically by 4 by 4 ratio so that it looks more aesthetically pleasing to you. Okay.
Right. I get it. With these changes, are you saying that you're going to make them? I think that
Yeah,
would
yeah,
be enough. Okay.
we're gonna make them. Since you've given us the opportunity, we're gonna do that for you.
Okay, sure.
That would be a new
Okay,
project, but you know, like explain,
okay,
Rakib,
this
please
part,
explain.
this part is good. There is no need to changes. Just need to alignment. You see the text alignment. You see the alignment.
Yeah.
Or we
I
just
mean, to be honest, I appreciate you going through the website like this. But I don't think you need to. I'm happy for you guys just to just amend and then show me the result. Like I put a lot of effort inside these pages, but to be quite honest with you, I'm happy. I'm totally happy for you guys just to amend, show me, and then we go from there. I tell you, because it was me personally that created the website. Um, in terms of like added little changes, I totally appreciate. We need to remove gaps and whatnot. So yeah, I'm happy for you guys to do that and then show me the result of it after. We don't have to go through each section.
Thank
Is
you
that
so
okay?
much for, you know, yeah, thank you so much for trusting us. Yeah, Rakib, do you wanna continue?
Yeah.
Yeah, please continue.
Okay. So
No, sorry, I
I,
said I'm happy for you guys to just make the amendments. You don't have to go through go through the pages.
Like, yeah, I understand it, but it would be better if we just show it to you a little bit so that you can get an idea like how the changes will be amended. Okay.
Okay, it's not going to be a case in which a document's going to be
Do you want us to send you everything in a document file so that you can see it? Or, I think it would if the visual seeing is far more better than in a document. That's why I was encouraging him to like say like show everything to him with what we're gonna chop up so that the website looks much more visually aesthetic. It's up to you.
um I'm happy for you guys to make the amends and then perhaps make a small document of the changes you've made. Would that be all right?
Yeah, sure. Rakib, so yeah, I can continue regarding
sorry.
you can continue right now.
Okay.
You want
So
না না বেসিক্যালি রাকিব ভাই মেইন বলতে চাইতেছে কি যে আমরা যে চেঞ্জেস গুলা করবো না ওগুলা আমরা
হুম,
যে একটা ডকুমেন্ট আকারে ওকে দিই কারণ ও যাতে ভিজুয়ালি দেখতে পায় কারণ একটা সমস্যা আছে আর ওই যে টাকার ব্যাপারটা ওটা কন্টিনিউ করেন আপনি
আচ্ছা করেন আপনি বলেন আমি করে দিতেছি তাহলে ওর মানে ও চাইতেছে যে ওরে কি কি চেঞ্জেস করবো ওর আগে ডকুমেন্ট আকারে দিব না।
না না ও মেইন বলতেছে কি যে ও অলরেডি হ্যাপি আমরা যেমন ওরে বুঝেছি ও অলরেডি হ্যাপি বাট মেইন জিনিসটা কি ও যে চাইতেছে যে আমরাই যাতে সবকিছু করি বাট বিফোর উই ডু এনিথিং ও চাইতেছে একটা ডকুমেন্ট আকারে যাতে আমরা সবকিছু দিয়ে দিই যাতে ওর জন্য সুবিধা হয় এবং ও যাতে পরে এগুলা দেখতে পারে আর আপনি যখন কাজ শুরু করবেন মনে রাখেন এগুলা যাতে অলরেডি আরেকটা অন্য একটা সাইডে করে তারপর যাতে মেইন করে দেন নাহলে ফুলগুলো যে কপি করে নিয়ে আলাদা একটা জায়গায় সেভ করে রাখেন বাই চান্স যখন
আহ,
আমরা চেঞ্জ করি যদি ভুল হয়ে যায় তখন তো
বুঝছি
মেইনটাতে
বুঝছি
সমস্যা হইব
বুঝছি
ঠিক
বুঝছি
আছে
ওটা তো করবোই সমস্যা
হ্যাঁ
নেই আর
ওটা
যা আছে সব কপি করে দেন আস্তে আস্তে করবো। ওকে ওকে তাহলে
হ্যাঁ
আর কিছু দেখানোর দরকার নাই যেহেতু টাস্ক করছে তাহলে
হুম
ওরে বলেন যে দুইটা ল্যান্ডিং পেজের জন্য ওরে করেন এরকম
আপনি
যদি হয়।
কন্টিনিউ করেন আপনি ভালো বলতে পারেন যেদিকে
আরে
আটতে পারেন আমি
আমি তো আরে না আপনি একবার শেষ করেন করে দেন করে
কত
ওরে দুইটার দুইটার জন্য টাকা বলবেন
100
400
করি
টাকা বলে দেখ হ্যাঁ
400 পারবে না 400 পারবে না
কত
পারবে না আমার মতে ওই দুইটা না একটাতে ফোকাস করবে শুধু
একটাতে তাহলে একটা
হ্যাঁ
তাহলে একটাতে আপাতত তাহলে 200 টাকা বলেন।
150 করলে বেটার হইব ও
ওকে ওকে
বেশি করতে
ওকে
পারবে না
ওকে ওকে ওকে
ওকে আপনি তাহলে বেরোতে পারবেন এখন সমস্যা নেই
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে okay Krubli so I need to go so my project manager will continue with you. Okay.
Okay, no worries.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
ওকে Colby, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think he was having some, like he's not that great, when it comes to speaking English, so he was having some problem to talk with you.
No
So
problem
yeah,
at all. No problem at all.
okay. So thank you so much for trusting us to make the changes. He's an expert. He's truly an expert when it comes to like making Squarespace's website. So yeah, he can definitely help you with it. Since you want to like simply just redesign everything, not everything, like just make the amended changes. I'll what do you have any specific budget on your mind that you need for the project, or will it be okay for you if I just share mine? What I'm gonna charge you for it?
Sorry.
Do you have any specific budget on your mind regarding the changes that we're gonna do?
Um, I'm a bit confused actually. So the process of this, right,
The
is it,
project that you were doing is for the Google Ads, but since you wanna do let's say make the amended changes for the sculpting team building pottery one, that would be, another project. So yeah.
okay, but scrap that. Don't do that then. It's fine. I'm happy to do that myself.
Uh,
Um, yeah, because at the end of the day, I came into this with in mind. Obviously, I totally appreciate your developer's not going to be working for nothing. I don't want him to do extra work unnecessarily.
yeah,
Um,
yeah.
if it's a case in which there's amendments to be made
Hmm.
specifically for the pages, the landing pages, let
Hmm.
me know and I can
Hmm.
make those changes, right? I had assumed that it was a part of the package. Um, yeah, I wasn't told in it, to be quite honest. But I'm happy.
Oh,
I'm quite happy. I was actually surprised that he was on the call actually, but it's fine. I'm quite happy to make those changes as long as you let me know what changes need to be made because as you said, it's minor changes.
hmm.
Um,
Hmm.
it's not wholesale changes, you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Um, so yeah, I'm really quite interested personally on the Google Ads part of this, right?
Yeah, so
So
you're happy with the one that is currently going on, the ads? Are you happy with it? Do you have any concern that you wanna share with me? You can just share it with me right now since we're in a call.
uh to be honest, I just want to get it started and see what happens. I want to understand how you're gonna make it, and
Yeah.
that's only gonna be done once you've done it.
Hmm.
Um, so yeah, if you could ask the developer not to make any changes because I don't want to be charged unnecessarily.
No, 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 no. He's not gonna
Okay.
do any changes. You don't have to worry about it. If he wants us to do the project, then yeah, we're gonna do it. But if you wanna do it by yourself, then it's up to you. Don't have to worry about it. He'll not gonna lay a single hand on it.
Okay, but as long as you let me know, like, okay, like this website, the changes that need to happen are X, Y, Z in order to make
Yeah,
the
yeah.
the thing more efficient. I'm happy to do it. Just let me know what they are.
Oh.
Um,
Hmm. Yeah, sure. You don't have to worry about it. We're gonna review the website again, and then we're gonna like, if you want, I'm gonna send you the things, the XYZ things. Like, yeah, this one would be better if you just express it up this way, so that it looks far more aesthetically pleasing. Okay.
okay.
Well, Colby, then thank you so much for joining the meeting. I had a great time talking with you. Have a great day.
You too. So sorry, what's the next
Yeah.
steps?
Sorry.
The next steps? Next steps.
Yeah, we're just gonna currently, since we've already running the ads, we're just gonna continue with it. And before I go to the next step, I'm gonna send you an update. Like, these are the steps because I'm currently working on it. Once I'm done, I'm gonna share it with you so that you can see it like far more better. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Colby, for joining the meeting.
Yeah, see you.
Yeah. Cheers, mate.